This Fiat has come to us from Nashik for the restoration job. So stay tuned to Autorounders for more details. Hi everyone. We have received this Fiat for the restoration job. So we will be working on the exterior as well as the interior. So stay tuned to Autorounders. We shall update you soon on this car. Hi everyone. So you can see this is the same Fiat which is now completely restored by Autorounders in Mumbai. We have painted this car in paint booth. There was a lot of rusting and body work to be done in this car as it was in a bad shape. So everything is done by Autorounders in Mumbai. Even the interior of the car has been restored. The seat covers, the roof. So in case if you want to get any such job done, you can call Autorounders on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai. Thank you guys.